Brixo. Let's go on a numbers adventure. Come on. Look, one treasure chest. Wow, and there's a number 1. Can you count it with me? 1. Yeah! Look who's joining us, our friends turtles. Let's count together. 1, 2. Yeah! That's the number 2. Good job! Wow, these magical flowers are blooming. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! 3 beautiful flowers and the number 3. Look, I catch all these fish. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah! Wow, I catch 4 fish. Thanks for counting with me. Look up in the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shining stars. That's the number 5. Great counting. Yeah! Wow, windmills spinning in the wind. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 windmills. Yeah! Good counting. Look at these colorful eggs. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 colorful eggs. Yeah! Yummy, a donut stall. I see yummy donuts. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 yummy donuts. Great counting. Yeah! Look, an apple tree full of red apples. Let's count the apples together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The apple tree have 9 apples. Good job. I decided to go to the carrot farm and pick some carrots. Let's count the carrots together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 carrots. Good job, kids. Yeah! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Brixo and Friends. See you next time.